Earlier, you mentioned not carrying enough coverage burns people.
Mhm.
If you do have homeowners insurance and don't know the right questions to ask, I think the most important one is, do I carry enough coverage? And to make a reference to Hurricane Katrina down in New Orleans, what happened was people had the same insurance agent for 20 years, 30 years, and the insurance agents were comfortable. They didn't check their people to make sure they were up in their policy. So as the value of your house goes up, you're required to up your insurance coverage to meet that amount.
Mhm.
And their threshold is 80% of the value of the house. So we had to do what was called an insured to value report, meaning if your house was $1 million home, you had to carry at least $800,000 worth of coverage. And what that adds up to is if you have an insurance claim and it's a total loss or what have you, you have replacement cost coverage. And anybody who's had a claim knows that they keep a little bit of the money until you complete the work, and then they pay you the full value. So they'll depreciate whatever was damaged, whether it be your roof, your siding, your windows, whatever. And they may give you 60% up front, and they hold 40% on the back end until you or I, as a contractor, shows proof or pictures that we actually went through with the replacement. So with replacement cost coverage, you get that money back. If you are not insured to value and you don't carry at least 80%, they give you what's called ACV, actual cash value. So that extra 40% that they withheld, they keep instead of giving it back to you. And when I say there were people headhunting agents in New Orleans, I mean, that was a real thing. There were some gangsters down there and they were going to go get their guy, but insurance agents were literally fleeing town because they had underinsured people by the hundreds out there getting shorted $200,000, $300,000, $400,000 a piece.
Absolutely crazy.